with an objective of making electoral and political participation disability inclusive in newly merged districts. STEP, in collaboration with Election Commission of Pakistan, are working together through a holistic approach under a year-long project. Persons with disabilities in newly merged districts Khyber, Kurram, Bajour, Mehmand and Orakzai were organized in self-help groups for the first time in the history of the country.
ये ट्रेनर्स जाके अपने कंसर्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कुर्रम में और औरकज़ई में बाकी ऑब्जर्वर्स को जो है ट्रेनिंग देगी.
Persons with disabilities were engaged right from the planning stage, and their capacity was built on the subject through comprehensive training. The training was conducted in the all 5 districts with the focus on observation of electoral process from disability perspective. These 162 persons with disabilities experienced observation of local bodies election held in December 2021.
यहाँ पर हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. मौजूद लोग कैसे अपना वोट कास्ट करेंगे एक पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर.
स्टेप की तरफ से इलेक्शन ऑब्जर्व करूंगा.
The observation was carried out in 255 polling stations across 5 NMDs. In Phase 1, observation took place at 123 polling stations across Bajour, Khyber and Mehmand. And Phase 2, observation was carried out at 132 polling stations in Kurram and Orakzai. Each observer visited between 1 and 4 polling stations. Keeping in view the findings and first-hand experience, these trained persons with disabilities observed the entire election cycle till March 2022. Following key findings and recommendations were evolved and shared with the decision-making in government institution and ECP. Based on an in-depth scoping study for the analysis of the current situation of persons with disabilities in newly merged districts and their participation in the political discourse, self-help group of persons with disabilities were further trained to advocate about their rights. At the same time, accessibility assessment of the relevant government departments in the 5 newly merged districts were conducted, including District Election Commission Office, Nadra, District Social Welfare Office, District Headquarter Hospital. All of these efforts and the key recommendation are being finalized to formulate a charter of demand through policy dialogues at provincial as well as on national level.